Hi, Manny. I want to show you something that'll help you to be able to use your smart notebook better. If you go to View and Toolbar Options, click on Customize, what you can do is you can pick the one that looks like a camera, which I have picked right here. There it is. It's called screen capture. And you click on screen capture and you drag it down to your toolbar, and then it'll show up down here so you have it. Once you're done with that, you say done, and then when you go to another page, like your MyPima, whatever page you're going to, your textbook, all you have to do from Smart Notebook is click on that little camera, and when you go to another page, click on the camera from the bottom. Here's where it was, and then I just go here, boom, click, and then I can send it to a new page in Smart Notebook. I can send it to the current page in Smart Notebook, but what I like to do is just send it to the new page in Smart Notebook. It shows up. If it's too big, I make it smaller, and there you go. I can copy things a lot faster than using the Snippy tool because it just automatically puts it into Smart Notebook. If you have any questions, please ask. Thanks. Bye.